Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to use despairing message feature for specific chat or user. So you can open any chat. So we are in chat and we are going to set despairing message feature when we send message to this user in this chat. So after some time our message will delete auto. So if you want you can click on name. Now you see my files, or if you want you can click on three dots. On top right you see three dots, so click on it and then you see despairing messages, so click on it. So we are in despairing messages section and then you see make messages in this chat disappear for this specific user or chat. Now you see message timer of 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. So we select 24 hours. It's mean when we send message to this user after 24 hours our message will delete auto. Now we set. Now back to chat. Now you see message, you updated the message timer, new message will disappear from this chat 24 hours after they are sent, except when kept. Tap to change. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.